Having extensively researched expanding metropolitan areas across the United States, searching for the prime location to launch our small business venture, my team and I have found an exciting niche investment opportunity within Seattle's expanding South Lake Union district that might just be of interest to you. You've probably heard by now that Seattle's becoming the next San Francisco of the West Coast due to a technology-based industry boom. Large tech companies such as Amazon and Oracle have established locations in the area and are expanding. And furthermore, Google and Facebook and others have announced new expansion plans into this location just north of downtown Seattle. This has created a major wave of employment opportunities for the local economy, which is great. But it's also created capital opportunities that will provide investors with solid return on investments within little time. Based on market research, our team is certain that the employees of these companies are going to need a local place to re-energize, conduct business meetings, and even just relax or socialize. Investors, that's why I'm here today to introduce you to the Coffee Bar. Hi, my name is Jacob Ostra, and I'm going to run you through some of the unique benefits that the Coffee Bar has to offer and why I'm so confident about this small business venture myself. So, coffee shop customers all across the country deal with similar issues in the establishments they frequent. There's long wait lines. They deal with disinterested and inexperienced baristas and drink the same bland brews that never change. Due to the congested influx of professionals and expanding residents in the South Lake Union area, the Coffee Bar has a solution for these potential customers who face these same frustrations in the typical coffee shop. The Coffee Bar is an LLC registered in Seattle that delivers a unique experience through the exploration of freshly brewed, locally roasted products in amounts that they desire. The Coffee Bar has 8 premium beans on taps at all time that deliver high-tech, self-dispensing coffee machines in multiple brewing styles, allowing customers to sample and personalize their drinks, pay digitally, and socialize with friends, all with little to no wait. We project the average customer is going to save nearly 20 minutes a week that can be used to get to work faster or just to quickly enjoy their coffee. More specifically, the Coffee Bar will target coffee consumers between the ages of 26 and 40 that are in the professional working class. The primary strategic opportunity is the capitalization on corporate growth and expansion throughout South Lake Union. In addition to Amazon's continued growth in the area and expansions of Google and Facebook, these companies plan to add at least 5,500 new employees, matching the Coffee Bar's target market over the next 3 years. To reach these customers, we're going to use digital marketing channels, ads on public transportation, and more to reach this target market. I know what you're thinking. What about the competition? Certainly competition is plentiful. I mean, this is Seattle, the home of Starbucks, and home to many local coffee houses, chain coffee shops, and restaurants with specialty coffee available. Large chain businesses such as Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts that serve specialty coffee will be particularly difficult to gain market share because consumers take the safe and consistent choice of coffee. Therefore, our strategy is to differentiate ourselves from the competition, which we base primarily on our value propositions. The coffee bar's value propositions offer a new innovative product and service that will use a high-tech self-serve coffee dispensing payment system that will quickly provide and charge the customer for the exact amount of coffee they desire. Furthermore, the opportunity to sample a wide variety of premium, locally roasted coffees sourced from around the world. And we're going to provide a fun social atmosphere targeting the young techie segment of the South Lake Union neighborhood. How we're going to do it? This here is a major component of the coffee bar's success. We've thoroughly researched top tech espresso machines on the market, and we found the perfect one for our business model, which is the Franke A600 automatic espresso machine made in Switzerland. This machine is fully automatic and high-tech. Customers are able to select their brew through the machine's touchscreen. They're able to pay for their coffee through the machine's payment system. And it also, the aesthetics, it's modern and sleek, and this appeals to our target market of individuals willing to pay a premium for our advanced technology. With its unique positioning and some of the latest and greatest technology in the industry, the coffee bar's value propositions will create opportunities to achieve market share in the competitive Seattle marketplace. The coffee bar will be the only retail coffee shop with this unique business model. To build and secure our success, the management team will be key and made up of an advisory committee, a general manager, and an assistant manager. The advisory committee includes 5 Washington State University MBA graduates with diverse skill sets that together make a cohesive business unit. The general manager and assistant manager will be growth-minded with experience in training, managing, and mentoring staff, as well as fully capable of making business decisions. The owners and the advisory committee will provide funding, maintaining hiring authority for the general manager, provide recommendations for daily business management, provide strategic business guidelines, and receive monthly updates on business metrics from the general manager. So the management style and relationship to our employees, the coffee bar will be supervised by 1 manager and 3 full-time coffee specialists during operating hours, led by a general manager who will provide daily decision-making and store leadership. There will be up to 3 additional employees working alternating shifts to provide thorough coverage during operations. Since the team of employees is rather small, the goal is to establish a family-like atmosphere in the workplace. Management will encourage teamwork, open communication, and team values. The launch of the coffee bar has a high probability to be successful when analyzing the amount of how much customers spend on coffee. Because the average American spends $1,100 per year on coffee, the overall coffee market continues to see growth, particularly in high quality and uniquely sourced varieties. The U.S. coffee retail sales mounted to roughly $5.17 billion in 2016. Over the next 3 years to 2021, the industry forecasts to grow at an annualized rate of 3% to $43.2 billion. Yet, coffee bean prices are expected to grow over the next 3 years to 2021, enabling coffee retailers to boost prices and garner increased revenue. Therefore, the initial goal of the coffee bar will be to establish stable operability of the business within 3 to 6 months of opening. This phase will be completed after the business operation has met a sustainable level of efficiency in marketing, advertising, customer service, and product quality. The next phase of the business is validating that the business model is viable and projected for long-term profit growth within 2 years. The business is expected to be cash flow positive within 2 years, garnering a local market share of 5% annual sales of $522,000, and an investment that's with an investor payback within 5 years. So the final goal is to maintain a successful and growing market share with a customer-centric Get, Keep, Grow campaign. In summary, the business expects to grow its local market share to 8% and annual sales to $905,000 within 5 years. The coffee bar projects gross revenue of $251,000 in year 1 of operation and return a negative $255,000 net loss in year 1. However, in year 2, the coffee bar will break even with a net profit return of $40,000. In year 5, we'll have a net annual profit of $228,000. Now, to implement this business, we are asking for a $210,000 5-year startup loan. In return, we will pay 7% fixed interest rate, equaling $40,000 in interest paid over 5 years. The owners will be contributing $75,000 of their own money to implement the business, roughly $15,000 per owner. Of the $285,000, about $142,000 of the initial startup funds is going to be used for renovations, equipment, inventory, marketing, and other costs. Now, the remaining funds will be used for working capital before the break-even point occurs at the end of year 2. Now, the coffee bar is going to be the premier hotspot for the booming tech industry of South Lake Union neighborhood, providing a unique business model that caters to the trendy, up-and-coming business professional culture. The growing market size and trend toward premium coffees in increasingly time-strapped era makes the coffee bar a solid investment opportunity. If you found this opportunity to be of interest to you, our team is standing by, ready to begin the next phase of the project, and ultimately ready to develop a strong, lasting, and trusting relationship with our investors, our customers, and our community. Thank you for your time.